Hey guys, welcome to GW Mods. Today I will be showing you one of my favorite interior mods. It's already installed, but I took one part of it off to show you guys exactly how to do it. So many of you guys have asked me on social media how to install it, how to wire it up, how it works and stuff like that. So I thought this would be a great short video on how to install it. Let's get started. So today's part that we are going to be showing you are these gorgeous LED AC vents that are just like the Mercedes-Benz ones. They actually can change colors with just a click of a button over here. So you have blue, yellow, pink, turquoise, clear, orangey red, green, orange, yellow, pink, and red. There's so many colors you can do with this, guys, and it dresses up the whole interior just super nice instead of the regular black ones that the OEM Jeep ones have. Alright, so to install it, you're going to get 4 of these that look just like this. It does come with the housing, the cover, and everything, as well as these wires that are included. And what you're going to do is, before you put this inside first, they come with a big long harness that have 4 of these plugs in it. So I ran it behind my dash over here, and then there's 2 plugs over here, and then I ran the other one through my glove box, so it's zip tied on top of the metal bar up here all the way up to this one over here. So it's literally one long harness with 4 plugs sticking out of it, which you plug these into. The plug looks just like this. It has 4 different colors on it: red, green, yellow, and white. And that's the same color that's on these AC vents. Literally just take the plugs, make sure the colors line up, so the white is with the white, and you're gonna plug it just like that. It's a little bit fragile just because of how small it is, so don't go too crazy with it. Just make sure it's plugged in and you're fine. On the AC vent, there's a part on it where it's gonna say top, so that's obviously gonna go over there, but make sure before you do that, that the wire, which is underneath, is in there so you don't damage it. So once it's in there, make sure you line it up just like that. And then you're gonna just twist it until you hear a click, so now it can't move or anything. To do the actual wire installation, you're gonna go to your driver's side panel over here. And it's really easy to just pop this off because it's just a little clips on the back of it. And what I did was I just take a little flathead and go on the bottom and just pop it out on the bottom so you can just pull it right off. This is the control box that comes with it. All the wires, everything comes with it. Super easy, plug and play. There's gonna be 3 ports inside this box. The first one is gonna be for your actual LED changing colors, which is this right here. So when you click on it, it'll actually change the LED colors. Super easy, it's a flat button, it sticks on. So what I did was I actually took a little Dremel blade and I actually went to the top of the soundbar grill over here, made a little slot, and I just tucked that through here and then stuck it right on there, and it's perfect. So it looks factory. It's not in the way, it's not anywhere else, so it's pretty easy from the driver's seat to change the colors whenever I want to. Second port for this box is the actual harness for all of the lights. So it's one big harness with 4 plugs off it, and then there's a 5th one that's going to plug right into that. And then the last port is how you actually make it give it power. So there's 2 plugs that are off it. It's a brown and orange plug that plugs into this. So what I did was, because I actually have the Rough Country MLC 6 pod system, what I did was I took those wires and fished it down through here, through the driver's side firewall. I got it through here from the firewall, just ran it to here, and then I just ran into my actual switch system. So it has a separate fuse, it's not gonna blow, so it's not going all the way to the battery. And then once you're done, you're gonna just take your panel just like that, make sure it's lined up, a little bit of a pain. But once it's lined up, you can just pop it right back in, just like that. So it's all gone. The lights look beautiful, and they look just like Mercedes-Benz ones. The OEM ones with the Jeep, you flip it so it's solid so air doesn't come out. You turn the air on, you turn it just like that, so the air is gonna come out. This is closed. So if we turn it up, this is closed. This is open, so air is coming right out. And you can still move it around and everything. So when you open it up, you can still get air over here, move it over here, air over here. And it just, look at it. It looks totally badass. This is where I got the AC vents. I'll make sure to put the link in the comment section below. But if you want the AC vents, this is where you're gonna get it from. You're gonna just make sure you go to your ear and just make sure it has it in stock, because sometimes they don't. It sells out really quickly. But to be honest with you, it's such a cool mod. I personally like the brush look with my interior just because it's super classy and luxurious, kind of like a Mercedes-Benz with these diamond stitching panels and the PRP seats, which we'll do another review on. And this just makes it classy. And there you have it. That's how I installed my AC vents. I'm not really sure if there's any other ways you can do it. The only difference is that mine is wired to the pod system, so you can do yours on a switch or whatever that goes to the battery, but I do not recommend that. They'll drain the battery. That's it for today. And as always, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below on this video if you like this or not. Thank you, and see you next time.